Hello everyone, I'm Keith George and this is my introductory video for AEP 850. Start off a little bit about myself. I've been married to my beautiful wife for 8 years. We're high school sweethearts. We've got two beautiful little girls, as you can see in the picture above. That is Aspen, who is on the left. She's 4, and that is Indy, who's on the right, and she is 2. Things I enjoy to do, obviously spending time with my family, being outdoors, building things. I love construction, and playing guitar. Some about my professional life. I'm certified to teach 5 through 8 math and science. I've been teaching for 7 years, 6 of which have been at Rose Hill Middle School, and then I spent 1 year at Belle Plaine Middle School, and in both places I taught science. I have experience coaching middle school basketball as well as middle school golf. Other things that I am committed to within my school district, I serve on our district leadership team. This last year and this upcoming year, we will be focusing heavily on KISA, the accreditation system. I also serve on the BLT team, which is our building leadership team. And I'm also our Rose Hill Education Association building representative for this upcoming year. So that's a little bit about my professional life. Reflection on my administration and their knowledge on federal and state laws as well as board policies. If I were to go based on my observations, I would say that right now my assistant principal shows a better understanding and has a better knowledge base of the laws as well as the board policies. My principal is great. She shows a general understanding, but it often seems like my assistant principal is the one who steps in and gives specific direction and background as to why we can't do certain things and why funds are going this route versus another route and so forth. So I think they both have a great understanding of the laws, but I do feel like my assistant principal, who he's been assistant for 4 years now, so he's been through, school law more recently than my principal, so he probably is just a little more familiar with the updated laws and so forth. But overall, I feel like they've got a general understanding. As far as specifics, we're dealing with a bond issue right now, or not a bond issue, but a bond project. And so there's been some questions about that. And again, my assistant principal has stepped in and said why things have to be this way versus another way, in terms of cameras placed in the school and so forth. My personal knowledge, I have very limited knowledge on federal and state laws in terms of school, and then also our school board policies, whether you're meaning the state board policies or local board policies. I'm not familiar with much of either of them. In fact, I'm pretty disappointed in our district's transparency in sharing board policies because I had to specifically ask to access our school board policies. So I'd say I have very limited knowledge in the realm of school law. My action plan to improve that is obviously to take this course, AEP 850 School Law, reflect on the Teacher's Guide to School Law, the book for this class, as well as reviewing school board policies. I think I will learn a lot as I continue to shadow my administrator and my assistant principal, and through asking questions, I hope to accomplish a lot. So that's a little bit about me. I look forward to spending the summer with you guys, or at least June. It's going to be a busy summer, but I look forward to learning with and from each of you. Thanks.